So take a look at this work light here. It's really cool. Has all types of really cool features on it. So first off, thank you to the company for sending this out to me to try out. So this is a work light. It has a clamp, has a telescoping feature here, so you can extend it out. You can angle it any direction you like. Has a hook for hanging up. Has a magnetic base here as well. So all kinds of really cool features on this. And of course, it has super bright light. It is 3000 lumens, so really bright. Has this nice white light, 6000 Kelvin, I believe. So it has several different light modes. You can do really bright there, and then dimmer and dimmer as well. So back here are the ports for plugging in. So you charge it with the USB-C cable, which it comes with. You can also use it as a charger to charge up your phone. Just plug this end into here and then this end into your phone with the USB-C. You can charge it up. So this is a battery bank as well, which is really nice. Has a battery indicator back there. And then you can see you can angle this in all different directions. So really versatile, useful. So you can do all kinds of things with it like that. Any which direction you want. If you're working in your car, you can hang this from the hood. Have the light shining down while you're working. Move it any position you like. And then you can use the clamp there to hold it on any type of surface. Super cool. And then it has it's a little bit round there, so it can even go around a pole or something. So that's super cool as well. And then the magnetic base there, you can hang it on any metal surface there to hold it. So yeah, super cool, versatile light, great to keep in your car, garage, anywhere in your home, camping, etc. So if you're looking for a really cool, versatile light, be sure to check this out.